Sa IFOS Accounting Lectures, ang bawat quiz ay ginawa hindi lang para sukatin kung gaano ka katalino, kundi para tulungan kang matuto, mag-focus at magtiwala sa sarili mong accounting skills. We design every quiz to guide you step by step from understanding the basics to mastering complex accounting problems. So meron tayong tatlong klaseng questions, the theoretical and the easy to moderate problem solving, at ang pangatlo ay ang ating challenging questions. Sa theoretical questions, ito ang mga tanong na tumutok sa concepts, definitions, at accounting principles. Hindi lang ito basta memorizations. Tinutulungan kang maintindihan kung bakit ganito ang accounting treatments at entries. Perfect ito para palakasin ang foundation mo at maging confident sa theory-based exams. Dito naman sa easy to moderate problem solving, dito mo maa-apply ang natutunan mong theories sa real-life accounting situations. Step-by-step computations, journal entries, adjustments, lahat yan guided para madali mong maunawaan. It's where understanding meets application, ika nga. Dito naman sa ating challenging questions, ang challenge questions ay ginawa para i-test ang iyong analysis, accuracy, at critical thinking. Basta makapasa focus accounting lectures. Ang bawat quiz ay hindi lang exam. Isa itong learning experience. Each questions helps you think deeper and understand better. Kasi para sa amin, hindi lang basta makapasa, kundi ma-master mo talaga ang accounting. Happy learning!